What is up, guys? Woody LS3 here, coming at you with another vlog. Today we're actually going to be taking my car to go get dynoed at Matt Sorian's. I know I said I was gonna take it once I got the fenders. The fenders are taking a little bit longer, but I finally got confirmation yesterday that my fenders will be here on Friday. I know once I put the fenders on, I'm gonna want to drive it, so that's why we're just gonna go ahead and do it now. That way when I get the fenders on, I can drive it. I don't have to worry about tuning it or anything like that. So we're gonna be taking it to Matt Sorian. Shout out to Freddie, he let me borrow his trailer. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing loaded up. Alright guys, well you can see the car's all strapped up, it's all ready to go. So I'm gonna be a little late. I still gotta pull over and get some E85 because I want this car tuned on the E85 also. Right now it's on pump gas. I don't like to leave my cars with E85 in the tank overnight. It just rots your lines out and stuff like that, strong stuff. So I have to pull over and get some E85. That way we'll go ahead and take it to the dyno and get it tuned on the E85. Alright, let's go ahead and go. Alright guys, we just pulled over to Matt's MS Tuning here in Rosenberg. You can see the car's still on the trailer. Matt's gonna do a little tune just to get it off and get it off the trailer without turning off. But you can see what Matt does. He tunes all these cars, obviously not cheap cars or anything like that, very expensive cars and very highly modified. So Matt's been doing this for a long time here in Rosenberg. Said he's the only one that has been tuning my car, and he does an awesome job. That's why I keep coming back to him. Hopefully once we do our cam on my truck, bring it to him too, and then who knows, we'll probably do something big on that one too. Nothing too crazy, just because I still want it to be my daily, but this one we're definitely gonna try to go all out. So I did get a blower cam because I do plan to install a blower. Matt's gonna see what he can do. Hopefully he can tune it so I don't need a converter and we're not pushing through at the light. Let's see what the car does. Like I said, it's on pump gas right now. I did pump E85 to one of my jugs that I have, so we are gonna do E85 also. Y'all stay tuned, let's see what it does. so Matt's getting ready to do a flash on my car just so we can drive it up on the dyno. Hopefully my car does good. Hopefully we can, you know, get it all running right 100% and, you know, see what it does. Alright guys, well, you got it. Matt did a little small, like a flash, just as the car wouldn't turn off. I'm gonna get it on the dyno and then see what numbers it makes. Alright guys, so the car's strapped on, got the fans ready over here, pretty much ready to go. Let's see what it makes. Damn guys, that was the first pull. I don't know what it made yet, but that sounded awesome. Alright guys, so now we're done with the 93. We're gonna take it off and pump all the rest of the 93 in this bucket, and then we're gonna throw in our E85. Pumping all the fuel. Alright guys, so the car is done. Finally, we got it tuned on 93 and E85. Made good power. It made good power for what it is. I mean, it's just a cam, headers, intake, and E85. So it made good power. I'm extremely happy with it. Honestly, I'm excited that everything is working the way it should, because I did install the cam myself. I was just happy that I was able to do it myself, and I saved myself a lot of money. And I'm sure my wife is happy about that also. The next thing, I'm gonna finish my wide body and get it either wrapped or painted. I did put a little poll on IG asking y'all, what should I do, wrap it or paint it? And a lot of people are saying to wrap it. Still don't know what I'm gonna wrap it. If I do wrap it, I do want to change the color, but we'll see what happens. The fenders will be here on Friday. We'll get those slapped on. We'll take it out. Let's see, Matt's gonna take the car. He's tuned the trans to make sure everything's hitting the way it should, and then we'll head home. We finally made it back home. Car's in one piece, did good. We're just gonna unload it, maybe take it around the block, see if we can see any difference. Let's go see and get it unloaded. Alright guys, well there you go. Now it's tuned. Like that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's actually like moving my door. Alright guys, let's go for a little ride. Alright guys, we're gonna test out see how it feels. See if it feels any different. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me, it's pretty loud in here. Damn, that feels good. That feels good.
Push me back.
Oh man, I like how that feels.
Yeah.
It's different for sure. It's more torquier. That is a blower cam, so obviously that cam works with the blower. I don't have a blower right now, but it still makes pretty good power. I'm actually very happy with it where it's at. Honestly, I'm just more happy that everything worked out good. Matt said all the sensors are good. Everything is reading the way it should. So obviously I installed everything the way it should be. So that's what I'm most happy about. It's running, it's working good, made good power.
It's just the first step of many.
Yeah, this is just the first step of many. I'm gonna do a lot more things to this. My goal with this car is to have a fully built motor, fully built trans, and make it 1,000 plus. That's my goal. So hopefully we get there. I know it's gonna take time and it's gonna take a lot of money, but you know, it's a process you have to do. You pretty much gotta pay to play. Now we're just gonna focus on the wide body now that it's tuned. Also, big shout out to Freddie. Freddie let me borrow his trailer. My wife always holding the camera for me, always helping me out, always supporting me no matter what. My son for helping me out packing the trailer up. I thank y'all very much. Without y'all, I mean, I wouldn't have it as easy. And
It's like you won an Academy Award.
I mean, I'm happy, you know.
Yeah, I know you're
I'm happy that I finally got my cam. Car's making good power, and you know, it did everything it's supposed to.
I'm
So
glad
in a
you're-
way,
I'm happy you're happy.
I won an Academy Award.
You showed it.
I won a, what is it, the Grammy?
The Grammy.
Thank you guys. Hope you like videos like this. Keep subscribing, keep watching, and this is only the beginning. We're gonna do with this car, my truck, get some good builds for you, and definitely finish this car so we can get on a t-shirt for you guys. So, like I said, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.